Already got this Cable Creation mini HDMI to HDMI 6-foot long cable. In today's world of live streaming, it's possible you may run into a situation where you need an HDMI to a mini HDMI. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I can show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. The cable itself came packaged very nicely. It had protectors on each end of the cable that I'm going to save because I'm going to keep those cable ends protected. It has gold plated ends on here. Gold gives you a great connection. This cable is capable of supporting high speeds and it will do up to 4K in video. Why might you want a mini HDMI to an HDMI? Let's go through a couple of examples here. So I've got this Sony camera here. And on the inside of this camera, it supports a mini HDMI cable. Now, something I could do with this is if I wanted to live stream, for instance, I could run this mini HDMI camera and use a video capture card, plug the HDMI side into this, plug it into the USB port of my computer, and I'm set up. I could use OBS software, which is a very popular form of software that a lot of people are using to live stream these days. And now I'm ready to go with some live streaming straight into my OBS. Now, another thing I could do with this is I could take this camera and directly plug this HDMI side into the back of it, any TV I want. Turn the camera on, and I've got a direct feed from the camera to my TV. There's all kinds of scenarios this is great for. You know, I could play videos from my camera to my TV. I could even go live from my camera and have a feed going onto a TV somewhere. Maybe I'm at a church or at a family function, where I'm broadcasting this to, even a projector, something that supports HDMI that's projecting a speaker onto a big screen back there. But definitely a nice quality cable, 6 foot long, supports high speed, supports up to 4K, and it has gold plated connectors on it for great connectivity. So if you're looking for a mini HDMI to full size HDMI, check out this one by Cable Creation. Check it out.